Guys, listen to this amazing song. I just scroll it, I just get the vibe, I just get the song. The song really makes sense, it's sweet. I bet Mukuna listen. Oh yeah, let's go. Watch oh yeah, I will drop you now. I will start to the drop video where I go to use this sound. If you really like the song and you really need it, just DM me directly. You will get the full track. This song is amazing. If you listen up all, now you go understand what I'm saying. But for now, maybe you won't understand what I'm actually talking. So meet me at the next video. Let me make a video dance with the last part where they talk. Say, let me give Gabriel a crash. Oh man, the song really makes sense. I swear.